Hey there, YouTube. We have this covered for a good reason. And also, I'll show you how this works. For this. Then you do that. Then you can put it back in. That's how it works. You pull this out. You turn this knob on. Then after you're done washing, you press this second knob. Then you push this back in. Then you close this off. That's a new little thing. I get to wash dishes like I'm in a restaurant. I'm happy. And also, what type of sink we will have, Mama?
You already told me about that.
No, they don't know that.
Jacob?
Oh,
you don't have to tell everything that happens.
Hey, YouTube, it'd be a double wide sink. No one, I don't know, but it'd be a double wide sink. That'd be it. Well, I better get going. See y'all later. Bye.